You think you cannot finish anything, but the truth is that your focus span is limited and you just need to extend it again. A research from Dr. Gloria Marks shows on average the length of the time that people stay on a single computer screen before switching to another one in the past 2 decades decreased from 2.5 minutes to 47 seconds. This is important because our cognitive resources are really limited. We think we can do multitasking, but the reality is that we are not exactly multitasking, but just task switching. And that has really damaging effect on our brain and of course our tasks. In fact, on average, it takes us 25 minutes to get back to our original task when we were interrupted. So, here are 3 steps that I use to fix that. Step 1, remove the distraction. You see that coming, right? I know you want to take a look at that email or that TikTok that your friend just sent you, but it means each time that you do that, your brain needs 25-ish minutes to get back on the horse again. Step 2, you know why you sit hours and hours playing games? Because they are interactive, or 3 hours of a movie because it's great on storytelling, or it's an action movie, or whatever that keeps your motor running. But it means that there is something in there that keeps you awake. The point is, you need to make a task that you are going to do more fun. Let me give you an example. I remember every conversation that I wanted to have with people I saw as a challenge, and I didn't like it. I needed to be ready. I needed to listen, to talk, to solve problem, and I hated it. Nowadays, I changed some variable in there and it drastically changed for me. I see it as a practice to get better in communication and practice conversation and gather more data and grow and train myself on active listening and proper conversation, proper communication, and of course, team building. Therefore, now I always go open arms to a conversation or a meeting. I want to help and use my techniques there in the meetings. They've become more fun for me because it's not just seeing people or work. It's like a game that I like to play in my head. And at the end, because my brain was completely present in that event, I ended up helping, guiding, or listening properly. So, win-win. Step 3, let me ask you something. How many hours a day you work? And I mean, using energy. It includes job, chores, physical activities, all the things that you do during a day or a week. If you keep doing those enough, you start feeling exhausted, right? You start to lose focus. You start to lose quality in your work, in your life, in your living. So rest, and rest good. Your brain uses energy for anything that you do. And if you don't rest properly, you can't do anything properly. It doesn't matter if it's a game, it's a meeting, or even just living, doing chores, your body and your brain needs rest. You came on this video to see how you can increase your attention span, right? So listen when I say, if you don't rest and rest intentionally, you can kiss other 2 steps that I said goodbye. Rest is not doing nothing. It's actually preparing yourself to do all the things that you wanted to do. If this makes sense, check out this video. And if you like it, leave a like and follow me for more.